So dear student, as I am discussing about the chatting, see here how client 1 is sending a message and it is taken to the client 2. Client 2 is again sending a message and client 3 also send a message. So this is how the chatting is been done. So those arrow, that means what you find, that is multiple threading. Okay, this is known as threading. Multiple threading has been done or chatting session is been processed. VoIP, I have said you, VoIP means voice over internet protocol. This is the technology where you can call, okay, using a broadband internet connection. Like you are having a WhatsApp and you are calling me in a WhatsApp number. So this is what an analog, you are transmitting the analog signals. Digital phase is now those the things are what regularized with your phone and signal is converted to the telephone. Okay, that is VoIS, means voice over internet protocol. So with a protocol, with a hotspot, whatever wireless, whatever you are using, based on that you are sending me, you are calling me, I am answering you, okay, through the WhatsApp. So this is what is your work. So what is the advantage? List, this is a list for easily accessible, it is flexible, voice can be easily transformed, okay, and extra as less expensive feature is there. Disadvantage is reliable on internet. You have to, obviously you have to rely on internet. If your internet connection is not proper, you cannot, or Wi-Fi connection, your hotspot connection, your router connection is not proper, you cannot do it. That means basically your internet connection is not proper, you cannot do the work. Power, you have to depend on the power. If power is not there, then you cannot get the particular thing. And latency period is there, that means time taking. Invented, there are the different time, you just go through them. 1948 it was invented in Israel. Scientist Alan Cole and Leo Hamtre has invented it in 1995. Cons and Hamtre has Vocaltech developed the first internet telephone software in 1996. The first version of the VoIP call sign H.323 and SIP are published in 2002. The version that published RFC what 3261. Then 2003 Skype has been launched. Then 2011 what Skype 8.5 billion dollar partnership has been done it, and this video conferencing and announcing 663 million registered users are there. Facebook friends are there. 2014 WhatsApp is now popular in the mobile, announcing a new version. Now Skype has 2016 and announced the mobile version as a 1 billion time. So service provider what iPhone, okay, phones and phone to phone, PC to phone, phone to PC, voice to mail, IP, phones, toll free number, call center, application, VNP, then unified message. So all these things are the protocols what they are using. Protocol SIP. SIP means session inter initial protocol, what is connects to develop the IETF. Okay, H.323 is one of the first voice call single line control protocol found. Okay, widespread network, real time protocol RTP. Remember all these things, short form and long form can come, and short note also can come from it. You write it in your copy. Transform the protocol in the real time audio version. Real time transfer protocol RTTC, sister protocol of the provider. Okay, then SRTP means secure real-time transfer protocol. Encrypted version is RTP. That means encrypted means advanced version. Session description protocol SDP. File format use the principle of SIP and the described protocol. So working pattern is what you see, the working pattern, that how it is working with the following of three sections. When you make a phone call, our voice signal will convert it to the digital packet. Those the digital packet will travel to the internet and finally to the destination. Then the last, the packet will be again converted to the voice signal. So during these two senior sections 2 and 3, what's happened, you find it that there are the provider, those the switch providers are there. Those switch providers are using the LEC, local exchange carrier. So this local exchange carrier is above the buildings, and those the particular things you find it, they are the twinkling eye symptoms. So this way the particulars, this is how the work is being done, and this is how your particular modem will be transferred. So this is our different type of common VoIP at